Hey there guys, welcome to Kopar's Cars. In today's video we will be talking about how to replace a steering wheel on an E36 BMW. This is a 94 325i convertible with a hardtop. So this steering wheel is the pre-facelift steering wheel. First thing you do is disconnect the battery and then put your key in and turn your wheel into a 90-degree position. The reason for that is those screws right there. They are T30 screws and there are two of them on each side, or there are one of them on each side, two total. Once you take those screws off, that will allow you to take out the airbag. And then you will see your clock spring here. Mine is not in the car right now because I took it out, but after you take that out, you will see this orange cable that you have to disconnect, and then you will see a bolt here. The bolt is 16 millimeters, and then once you take that bolt off, and then disconnect your cables, you'll be ready to install your new steering wheel. To install your new steering wheel, you need to take these little bolts off and have this center cap taken out, and then you install your hub first. My steering wheel came with a hub. You install your hub first and then put the steering wheel on there, and then put your 16 millimeter bolt on first, and then you reconnect your wires for the horn and put these screws back on, and you're done. It is a very quick job. It didn't take us that long. This new steering wheel is a suede steering wheel. It feels really good in hand. I bought it off eBay. It was shipped from Bulgaria. Shout out to the shipper. It was said that it was going to take 7 weeks to be delivered, and it was delivered in 3 weeks from Bulgaria to America. So that is a really good turnaround. Also on this channel we will be modifying or reviewing more cars. We got these two E36s. I have an E6535 with an N54. I had a JB4 on that I recently took off because it was giving me a lot of problems, and I will be ordering the cop access port soon and compare the JB4 to the cop access port and see which one is better. We also have a bunch of cars that we will be showing on the channel that are my friends' cars that they're working on. I am more into German cars, but we will be showing American muscle and Japanese cars, and you never know, maybe we'll see some Korean cars on this channel as well. So subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas.